Please note that the following video may contain valid EAS tones. Do not play these tones over EAS equipment or no weather radio, as it may cause a false activation, which is a federal offense. Techno-Fanatic WX Studios is not responsible for any incidents that happen after this video's upload or any false activations. In addition, in accordance with COPPA and FTC laws, viewer discretion is advised. Now, get comfortable and enjoy.
Everyone from Florida is stupid. Everyone from Florida is dumb. I might not be the brightest guy, but next to them my IQ's high. If they had guitars, here's how they strum.